Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be teaching you how to play Learning to Fly by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. So, it's a fairly simple song. It's actually simple in that it doesn't have a lot of chords in it. In fact, it only has, I believe, 4 chords in it. So, anyway, here we go. There's, as I said, 4 chords. There's an F, a C, an A minor, and it's this variation of a G chord. It's a G5 chord, and we'll get into that. But anyway, the first chord is an F, 3rd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, and you're going to bar the 1st fret of the B and E strings with your first finger. So it's going to be, if I were to show you. So that's an F. The next one is going to be a C. Textbook C. Next chord is an A minor. Another textbook A minor. And then this next one is going to be kind of like a variation of a G chord. It's G5 chord is the name for it. It's going to be the 3rd fret on the low E string. You're going to mute this A string with this finger. The flesh under here is going to kind of mute that for you. So the A string is muted. The open D and G strings. And the 3rd fret of the B string with your 3rd finger. And then you're also going to mute that upper E string with the flesh of your 3rd finger. So it's... Now you could also play this with, you know, if you're having a hard time muting the let's see, the high E string down here. You can just put your pinky on the 3rd fret there and play that chord. But keep in mind we have to switch in between these chords. So I'm trying to make it as easy for you as possible. So anyway, now comes the strumming pattern. It's a very straightforward strumming pattern. It's just all 8th notes, pretty much. It's just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's literally the strum pattern. So, and then the only thing that varies is the amount of times you play the chords. So for this F, you play it 3 times, 1 and 2, and then you play the C. So C, let's see, 5 times, and 3 and 4 and. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then you go to the A minor, and it's the same, pretty much the same idea. You play it 3 times. And then you go to the G5, and you play that 5 times. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you start over again. Now obviously you're not going to strum up here. I'm just doing this to show you the strum pattern live. So anyway, so that's basically the chords, and then the whole song pretty much has those chords in it. And let's see, there's a part later on in the song where he goes, it's after like the chorus part. He goes, learn to fly. No, wait, it's what goes up? What goes up must come down. And then it's after this. You play the rest of that like normal, and then you keep going on the G for 2 measures. So that's 16 times you play the G. So it's, and then you get to that interlude part after that, which is just. that's a little different. It's a little different for that. You go. So it's 1 and 2. So it's wait. So it's 5 times. And then you play the C. So it's F 5 times, which are like 16th notes, I guess. 16th yeah, 16th notes. Then you play the C once, and then you go to the A minor 5 times, another more 16th notes. And then you go to the G5. So slower it goes like this. And then you go back to the chorus, or the verse, or whatever it goes after that. But anyway, so that's how you play "Learning to Fly" by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more guitar lessons and tips, and have a nice day.